I try to cross things over in the letters.
So?
And say something else about her appearance. That's important to Colelge. Her little weakness.
All right. Now let's skip back a little bit to when you said the place in the country was disposed of, huh?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, let's have a little more details on that subject, huh?
Well, it's best not to talk about it until she gets in a quiet condition.
Oh, I see. So Sister Blanche can be bothered with business details right now.
You saw how she was last night.
Yeah, I saw how she was. Now let's have a gang with the bill of sale.
I haven't seen any.
No papers, no bill of sale, nothing like that, huh?
It seems like it wasn't sold.
Well, what the hell was it then? A giveaway to charity?
Stanley, she'll hear you.
I don't care if she hears me. Let's see the papers.
I haven't seen any papers. She didn't show me any papers. And I don't care about the papers.
Then where's the money if the place was sold?
Not sold, lost. Stanley?
Look at all this stuff she come to print herself. You think she got this out the teacher's bag? Hush. Look at this, fox pieces, genuine white fox pieces, solid gold dress, I believe. Very old white fox pieces, Stella, huh?
Well, for inexpensive something, Blanche has had a long time.
I have acquaintance who deals in this sort of stuff. I'd have him here to check all this out. I'm willing to bet there's thousands of dollars invested in this stuff.
Don't be such an idiot, Stanley.
What's this? Treasure chest for a pirate. Pearls and ropes off there. Why is this sister of yours a deep-sea diver? Or is she a champion safe record all time, huh? Solid gold breastplate stuff, I believe. What's this here? Diamonds, a crown for an empress.
A rhinestone tiara she wore to a costume ball.
What's rhinestone?
Next door to the last.
Are you kidding? I have a guy who works in the jewelry so he can come check that out.
Close that trunk before she comes out the bathroom.
Kowalski's in the boudoir, so different notions.
Indeed, they have. Thank heavens. I'm going outside. You come with me and let Blanche get dressed.
Since when do you give me orders?
Are you going to stay and insult her?
You're damn tootin', I'm staying right here. That's good.
Excuse me while I sit on my pretty white cardigan.
Go ahead, Blanche.
I understand you fellows have a car fight tonight, which women quarterly not invited to.
Yeah,
Where's Sarah?
out on the porch.
Well, I'm going to ask a favor of you in a moment.
What could that be, I wonder?
Some buttons in the back. You may enter. How do I look?
You look alright.
Many thanks, my lords.
I can't do nothing with that.
You men of your big, clumsy fingers. Could I have a drag on this here?
Have one for yourself.
Why, thanks. It looks like my trunk has exploded.
Yeah, me and Stella helped you out back.
Well, you certainly were fast and Lord away.
Looks like you raided some stylish shops in Paris.
Well, clothes are my passion.
What's the cost for a string of fox pieces like that?
Oh, don't you for an admirer of mine?
Yeah, you must have had a lot of admiration.
Well, I decided to seek admiration in my youth. But it's hard to believe that I was once considered to be attractive.
That's okay.
I was fishing for compliments, Stanley.
Ah, go for that sort of stuff.
What stuff?
Compliments to women about their looks. I never once met a woman that didn't know if they were good looking or not without being told. And most of them give themselves credit for more than they've got. I once went out with a girl once who said, I am the glamorous type. I am the glamorous type. I said, so what?
And what did you say then?
Nothing. It shut up like a clam.
Did it come
End of the conversation. So I'm going to take advice. Hollywood, glamorous stuff, and something just not.
Well, I bet you fall into the second category.
That's right.
I can't imagine any witched woman ever being able to cast a spell over you.
That's right.
You see, you're simple, straightforward, a little bit on the primitive side. So you're sure I tell in here last night, I said to myself, my sister is married a man. Of course, that's all I can tell you.
Now let's cut the rebar.
Now, Stanley, you come out here and let Blanche finish dressing. It's all right. I'm through dressing, honey. Will you come out then?
Me and your sister having a little talk.
Will you do me a favor? Could you run to the drugstore and get me some lemon coke with plenty of chipped icing? Will you do that for me, sweetie? Yes, Blanche. Poor thing is her hair listening to us. I feel she doesn't understand you as well as I do. So now, let us proceed. Without any more double talk, I'm ready to answer all your questions. What is it?
Well, you see, in the state of Louisiana, there is such a thing as the Napoleonic Code, in which belongs to my wife is also mine, and vice versa.
My, what an impressive judicial air.
You know, if I didn't know you're my wife's sister, I'll have ideas about you.
Such as what?
Don't play so dumb, you know what. Where's the papers?
Papers?
You know, papers, that stuff people write on.
Oh, papers, the first wedding anniversary gift, there's all kinds of papers.
I'm talking legal papers connected with plantation.
Oh, there were some papers.
You mean they no longer exist?
Well, they're around here somewhere.
But not in the trunk.
Well, everything else.
Let's have a look then, shall we?
What in the back of that little robot of yours do you think? That I'm a scar or something? Trying to commit some kind of treachery against my sister? Let me do that to be faster and simpler. I keep all my papers in this tin box.
What's them underneath?
They're love letters, yellow antiquity. Pink. Now that you touch them, I'll have to burn them.
What the hell are they?
They're poems. A dead boy wrote me. I hurt him the way you like to hurt me, but I'm not young and vulnerable anymore, but my young husband was.
What do you mean by you saying you have to burn?
Sorry, I must have lost my head for a moment. Everybody has something they won't let others touch because of its intimate nature. Ambler and Ambler. No, Crabtree. No, Ambler, Ambler.
What's Amber?
They're the firm that made bones on the fire.
Then it was Gosling Mortgage.
They must be what happened.
I don't want no ifs, ands, or buts. What are all the rest of them papers?
Right. There are thousands of papers stretching back over hundreds of years affecting Belle Reed. As piece by piece, our improvident grandfathers and uncles and cousins exchanged land in case of their epic fornications until all that was left, and Stella can verify that, was a house, about 20 acres of land, and the graveyard, to which now Stella and I have been treated. Here are all the papers. I present them to you. Pursue them. Commit them to memory even. I find it fitting that Belle Reed should now be this big bunch of papers in your big, capable hands. I wonder why Stella doesn't know what to call.
I have a lawyer acquaintance who will deal with this.
Well, present them to him with a box of aspirin.
You see, under the Napoleonic Code, a man has to take interest in his wife's affairs. Especially now she's going to have a baby.
I didn't know Stella's going to have a baby.